In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Quantower layout. Now to do this, there's two ways. You could either go to the top over here where you can see this button next to this lock, and you want to click on it, and then from here you can simply click on Save As over here or Create New. I'm just going to click on Save As over here. I'm going to give it a name, for example, Tutorial Layout like this, and I'm going to click on Save. Now whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to refresh, and there we go. You now have a new layout or workspace over here where you can basically click on and it's going to load that specific layout in for you, okay? That's the first way to do it, but if you'd like to save it as a template, you can set things up and then go to the top left, click on three lines next to bind, if you can see them, and you can click on save as template over here, give it a name. So for example, if I name this one like test 1, I can go and click on save, and there we go. I've basically opened a new template as well, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.